Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an outlet 2007 Honda VTX1300C. This cruiser has just over 8,700 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. As you can see, this bike has been debadged and has a custom colored paint job on it. Tires appear to be in good shape. Looks like they've got some miles left on them. Comes with a clear, quick release windscreen, leather saddlebags, twin chrome pipes, and a phone mount. Don't find any tip over or down damage on it, but I have found some scratches and some chips like that on it. Plus the chrome has got some pitting going on. You can tell by the back tire that's got some decent miles still left on it. And again, our leather saddlebags by Viking. So the hand grip on the left hand side is torn. And again, our clear windscreen with the quick release. And our custom color. $87.05 is what's on it. Get that to focus. There we go. Alright, this 2007 Honda VTX1300C is an outlet motorcycle, which means it will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.